Hello students, in fourth module we shall take up the second shear design problem. Example number 2, a PSA beam 250 by 1500 mm is subjected to a shearing force of 900 kilonewton. The fiber stress under working load is 4 Newton per mm square. If the effective pre-stress is 1000 Newton per mm square and area of cable 1500 mm square, design the shear reinforcement. The cable are inclined at an angle of arc sine inverse 1 by 6. See here pre-stressing steel is given in this problem. So when we consider the pre-stress in steel, there will be some pre-stressing force in the steel. Because of that, there will be some horizontal component of pre-stress and vertical component of pre-stress. So because of this vertical component of pre-stress, the ultimate shear force is getting affected. How we shall see. The given problem is 250 by 1500 beam, effective depth dt. So slope is given in the question, sine inverse 1 by 6. So slope at the support is theta sine inverse 1 by 6. Andre sin theta ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 by 6. ಓಕೆನಾ? Right. So V is given, that is shear force is given, that is 900 kilonewton. Fiber stress andre FCP is 4 Newton per mm square. It is also given. Pre-stress is given, not pre-stressing force. Pre-stress is given 1000 Newton per mm square. Area of cable AP is also given 1500 mm square. When pre-stressing force is not given, we have to calculate the pre-stressing force using pre-stress and area of cable. Okay, na? So first step, ultimate shear force. VU is equal to 900 into 1.5 factored shear force ಆಯ್ತು 1350 kilo Newton ಬಂತು. Next, the internal shear force. Again the formula is same. VC naught is equal to 0.67 BD root FT square plus 0.8 FCP FT. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, vertical component of pre-stress is also going to influence the shear force ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So vertical component of shear force pre-stress is getting added. Vertical component ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? P sin theta. P sin theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. So since the grade of concrete is not given in the question, we shall assume FCK is equal to 40 Newton per mm square. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Therefore tensile stress FT is 0.24 root FCK. So tensile stress ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ FT. So tensile stress ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ 0.24 root FCK. So when you substitute that 0.24 root 40, 1.52 Newton per mm square we got it. So pre-stressing force calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Pre-stress into area of cable 1000 into 1500 ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1.5 into 10 power 6 Newton. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 6. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ VC naught ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. VC naught ಏನು ಬಂತು? 922.36 into 10 power 3 Newton. ಸೊ 922.36. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು 1350 ಕಿಲೋ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಗಳು. ಯಾವುದು? 1350 is higher. So shear force is higher than shear resistance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ VC naught is less than VU. So provide shear reinforcement. Again here, since vertical component of the pre-stress is also getting affected, here we will be using 4 lead 8 mm dia vertical stirrups. So ASV calculation 4 into pi d square by 4, d is equal to 8 mm. We got it as 201.06 mm square. Okay, na? ASV by SV is equal to VU minus VC naught divided by 0.87 F by dt. Second formula using code book, page number 48. Using 100 mm effective cover. So effective cover ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So assuming 100 mm effective cover, 1500 mm ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 mm ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1400 mm is the effective dt. After substituting, we got the spacing as SV is equal to 237.65 mm. So this may be the spacing after VC not reaching the limit. Previous problem ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you will understand. So first formula substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. First formula substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ page number 48 ಅಂತ first formula 725.92 mm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು. Also maximum spacing ಇದೆ 0.75 dt 1050 mm ಅಂತ. 4 BW ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1000 mm ಬಂತು. So 1 2 3 4 ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 237.65 mm. So provide the spacing of 230 mm near the supports and at 725 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು centered at mid span. So mid span ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. at the support section at the mid section ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So this is about the designing of shear in PSC beams. Thank you.